by frontal branch, yes? Frontal branches, cervical first and cervical fourth, spinal, cervical no. Yes?
Yes.
The cervical plexus consists of three group branches: motor, sensory, and mixed. Mixed nerve. One nerve.
Phrenic nerve.
Do not show phrenicus, only cadaver. Okay? Phrenicus innervated diaphragm muscle and pleura and pericardium and peritoneum. Pericardium and peritoneum. Sensor branches following with transverse branches with sensitive innervation skin on the anterior triangle skin. With great auricular. Yes, magnum. Yes, great Latin name magnum. With laser occipital.
Laser occipital.
Ну, он today. Occipital молодец. Laser occipital branch top. Laser occipital. Yeah?
Yes.
Free branch sensitive. Repeat. Transverse,
great auricular,
branch and laser occipital. Take this the last semester and laser, okay? Understand? Yeah. Cervical plexus consists of two ansa. Loop. English loop, Latin name ansa. Ansa cervicalis superficialis and ansa cervicalis deep, Latin name profundus. Understand me?
Yes.
With ansa loop cervicalis superficialis. With ansa is formed by only two branches. With transverse, yes? Transverse branch and there were facial, 7 cranial nerves. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. With ansa mix, sensitive transverse, column and facial innervation muscle platysma. Yeah. With open. With loop ansa cervicalis deep, profundus. Yeah. With has 2 branches. With nerve hypoglossus, yeah?
Yes.
12 cranial nerves. And second and third cervical nerves. With ansa motor. Innervation muscle, omohyoid, sternothyroid, thyroid. Yes, with infrared group. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Repeat.